Hi, I'm Raymond. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be unboxing the top Race TR211M. Now I don't have a X-Acto knife like a lot of other people. I have a knife. Wow, it's really packed good. Fancy case and everything. Alright. So it says here, comes with a LED remote control, 2.4 gigahertz frequency, simulate real excavator manipulation, unlimited rotary, realistic smoke, realistic lights and sound, fully functional with 3 separate motors and digging arm, interchangeable shovels, shovel, fork and drill included. That must be the jackhammer. The shovels must be the log grabber. High capacity battery for maximum performance, 2000 mega amps included. Realistic light and sound and real smoke. Fully controllable forward, backward, left, right, unlimited rotary workbench. Large scale of 1/14. Alright. Whew. There it goes. Alright, so when you first open it, it's gonna have a book. You don't even get to see the thing. It's still got another cover inside. Another cover. But if you're under 12, you cannot play with this. The controller, look, if you see the controller, it kind of resembles a PS4 controller. TR211M. I'm just scanning through this real quick, and okay, I mean, who really needs instructions? Let's just get to the fun part. Okay, let's start from left to right. In the pockets, you got the battery. This must be the smoke juice. You got a wrench in there. Extra screws. I believe this is for the bucket. Oh, we got some more in there. Hold on. Oh, there's the battery charger. Hook it up to your computer, laptop. You can even put it in what you call a phone charger that goes into the wall. It's a USB port. Okay, and then we're gonna go over to the other accessories. This is the working jackhammer. I already seen like a lot of the other reviews and whatnot. This is good for breaking graham crackers. You need to sharpen this if you want to break concrete. You need to sharpen that. So I'm gonna do that in later on. See what else we got here. Oh, another screwdriver. I got my own screwdrivers, but another one never hurts. Here's the remote. This is awesome. Man, it feels really good in my hand. It's like got that grip. It's real soft, not plasticky. It got that grippy feel, you know what I mean? So like I said, it resembles a PS4 control. You got the buttons here, and like I said, I did see the other reviews about this. So this is gonna be like forward on each track, forward, backward, or vice versa. The arms, this is gonna be the big boom, the little boom. I think this rotates the unit, and this is the bucket, or vice versa. I can't remember, but I believe it's something like that. And here we go. It's deep in there, so it's hard. Okay, I seen somebody else do it like this. Take the foam out. Okay. Wow. That's a good 20 pounds. It didn't, I don't remember seeing, I think it said 18 pounds. I believe that's what it said, 18 pounds. And I want to measure I also want to measure the length of the arm, how far it can go and everything. And make sure you keep your booklets, yeah, if you get this. Okay, so opening this up, here on the top you got a twist here. This opens for the battery, but not just the battery. If you want to put the smoke juice, this one here, you're going to put the smoke juice inside. That's where it goes, right there. Battery hooks up. Everybody been saying that it comes charged, but when you turn it on, you gotta link it within 5 seconds, I believe. Sorry for the shaking. Alright, so this is, oh, it's like just enough space to get the battery in there. Even that, it's kind of squeezing it actually. I personally don't care about the smoke, so I'm not gonna put it in there. But if you, when you get yours, if you want to put smoke, feel free. And then you also need to make sure you have 2 AA batteries. You gotta unscrew the remote control for the battery port in the back. And I also have a magnet so I don't lose the screw. Oh, it takes three AA's. 3 AA's. So I'm putting the 3 AA's in. 1, 2, 2. Okay. Okay, and the switch to turn it on is right here. And just to let you know, this whole thing is metal except for the hoses. The hoses all here, even this is metal here. So everything in here is metal. The tracks, even the tracks is metal, and it has the holes in it here. So if dirt gets into your, there you go. You see the holes there? That's if dirt and rocks or whatever gets into your tracks, it'll escape easily. What else can I tell you about this? That's about it. Let's turn it on. Okay. So I'll fix the camera there. Okay, turning it on. Okay, so as I'm going, this up and down here on the right stick, up and down is the big boom here. Up and down. Okay. Okay, left and right on the right stick is the bucket. Up and down on the left stick is the second boom here, and the left and right is turn. Alright, and then forward is the bottom ones and reverse is the top. We also got, okay, the sound here is the sound. The sound and the lights looks like it's connected. Okay, so you see the light? I'm going to turn off the sound and the light goes off also. If you go forward on one and reverse on the other, it's the quick turn. Okay, and this one is going to be your smoke. The right button here is the smoke. So these two buttons on the right side, the two small buttons, doesn't do anything. It doesn't press down. But on the left side, it changes the sound until you release it. That goes for both. I'm not sure if it's also connected to something else. And so if you get this for one of your kids or something, it would be good for them to, moms, they can take care of your gardens. Christmas would be a good gift for this. Keep in mind, it is total metal, all metal. So it's gonna be about 20 pounds. I heard a higher weight. Somebody said 50 pounds before, but it's only about 20 pounds. Alright, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, give a like, and click that bell. Thank you. Bye.